Today we start saying goodbye to the Moonshine Shack. Goodbye, Moonshine Shack. Here is the ex-shed with everyone's favourite destructive power, Mr. O'Keefe. How long did it take you to get a splinter, Lee?
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
There it is, end of day one. Workshop gone. And just a little pile of rubbish left. Pretty good work. Thanks for the help, Lee. There it is. Oh, let's zoom out a bit. The new workshop. Oops. Dun, 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 dun. It's a big hole with no roof at the moment. Here we go. End of the first weekend's work. Getting things put back together. Got the outside painted. Got the door kind of hung. Got to get a bit of wood for there. Garage door is in and working. Starting to put some paint around there. Waiting for stuff to be collected. Next weekend is roof time. Excited. Excuse the shitty light, but we have a roof. All apart from that gap there, we have a roof. Already have to be fiberglass the weekend. Come on. So here we are. Roof's on, lights are up, electricity's in, we've got Wi-Fi. I thought I'd show you how much bigger than the old workshop this one is. And the best way to show you is the paint on the floor. Where that grey line ends there. That was the edge. Come along here. This was where the old door was, along here. And it come to this line here. So you can see I've got quite a span on the side there that I've added. It's about a foot deeper there, and it's a hell of a lot higher. So the old garage I could touch the roof. This one is about a foot above and way higher that side. I've ordered the rubber roofing, the EPDM roofing, that should be here next week, and floor sealer and paint. Hopefully this all dries out. I'm going to get the roofing on, get it watertight. You can see I've still got gaps there and I've still got the eaves to do. Get it watertight so the floor dries out so I can get that painted and I can start moving stuff in, and then we can carry on with the project, eh? So much to do. Starting to get back to, we've got some tools in. Why do I like my new workshop so much?